Hi Brendan, thanks so much for attending the customer success interview. Very honored to have you join us today. Maybe to start things off, could you introduce yourself?
My name is Brendan, Senior Director of Operation and Risk at Tiger Broker Singapore, overseeing daily end-to-end business operation as well as the firm risk management framework. Tiger Broker is a global online brokerage that provides clients with access to key global markets including the States, Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia and China Asia. We also maintain local presence in this market and operate under the relevant regulatory license. In Singapore, we are licensed by the MS under Capital Market Service License. Through our platform Tiger Trade, clients can trade a range of products including equities, ETF, fixed coupon note funds, options, and futures. Tiger currently manages over $50 billion in assets under custody. SCCB solutions have been very valuable in strengthening our credit framework. Their individual search and business check report give us visibility into client credit history, while the credit monitoring service provides timely notification on key risk events such as litigation and bankruptcy. Also, SCCB API integration allows us to automate our pre-screening workflow, helping us manage risk more proactively. I think one of our key challenges was limited visibility into client credit profile, especially during client onboarding and credit reviews. We could unknowingly extend credit limit to high-risk individuals, increasing the likelihood of clients taking on leverage position beyond their financial capacity. These challenges lead to increased exposure to bad debts. Manual checks were also time-consuming and reducing overall efficiency. In short, we needed a solution that could strengthen our risk control without compromising the speed and experience of our client onboarding process. Our client first complete the account opening and identity verification process, either through SingPass or manual data submission, then followed by a series of structured credit checks, including bankruptcy and SGX delinquency listing. Based on this assessment, along with our internal risk parameter, we determine whether the account should be approved and assign a default credit limit to eligible clients. At Tiger, we emphasize on customer experience and execution speed, with the expectation that clients can begin trading within minutes of account opening. So it's important that for us to ensure that our credit decisions are both fast and accurate. As our volume grew, manual credit review became a key bottleneck in our flow. At the same time, we observed a small increase in agents' outstanding control losses, which indicated that some of the high-risk clients were gaining access to unsecured credit facility beyond their financial capacity. Our primary goal was to strengthen our risk management framework by preventing high-risk clients from accessing our credit facility, offered particularly in our cash pools account. We also needed ongoing monitoring to identify existing clients whose credit risk profile may deteriorate over time. We needed reliable credit data, especially on client litigation and bankruptcy history, and the ability to integrate these checks seamlessly into our workflow. Automation was especially important, as growing account volume made manual screening unsustainable and difficult to scale. We were looking for a solution that could provide both reliable data and practical integration into our existing processes. SCCB stood out for its reliable credit data and its ability to fit naturally into our existing workflow without heavy customization. This allowed us to embed our credit check directly into our onboarding and monitoring process, strengthening our control while maintaining efficiency and scalability. The experience was great. The implementation was smooth, with the API integrating seamlessly into our existing system and workflows. From a user perspective, the process remains seamless, with automated checks running in the background currently to screen application and flag adverse credit cases. Internally, we transit towards a more automated and data-driven credit process. Since implementing SCCB solution, we have seen meaningful improvement in both risk control and operational efficiency. Clients with adverse credit history are now filtered out at the onboarding stage. We also receive timely alert when existing clients face litigation or bankruptcy proceedings, allowing us to take prompt action to manage credit exposure. Overall, it has reduced manual workload and enhanced the robustness of our risk management framework. With credit check now built into the workflow, clients can have their application processed and approved instantly with less friction. This is important as most investors today expect to start trading almost immediately after opening an account. I think it's important to look for a solution and partner that not only provide reliable data, but can also integrate seamlessly into existing workflow. Overall, SCCB helped us strike a strong balance between growth and risk control, enabling us to scale efficiently while maintaining a high standard of credit discipline. In this regard, SCCB stands out by combining strong data capability with practical implementation.